Welcome to KK Kitchen, Episode 1 of Cheesy Snack. Let's make cheese corn nachos. Perfect snack for your midnight matches. Add chopped tomatoes, chopped onion. Select chips of your choice. I have taken Haldiram's sweet Thai chili and Takatak chili chatka. Crush and mix it well with your hands. Add boiled corn. Add salt, chili powder, and chaat masala. Crush and mix XX. Add tomato sauce. Prepare and melt cheese. Add corn chat material. Add melted cheese. Your mouth-watering cheesy nachos are ready.